Welcome back, everyone. So my guest now isn't only creating cool styles, but she's giving you the shopping bags to put them in lieu of the plastic bag ban. Fashion designer Moya Johnson. Good morning.
Good morning, Sakina.
I'm loving the fantasticness of the outfit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, go on with a bag of things. And speaking of a bag of things,
Yes.
why did you decide to have a designer level to the bags for shopping now?
Well, after the ban, or when they banned the plastic, I was like, I think I need to do something with bags. I need to start doing something with bags. And I, along with my coworker, we started sewing bags, and then we started getting orders, and then just like that.
Because nobody just wants to have a normal bag to go to the supermarket
Yes,
now.
you need
know,
something trendy.
if you're doing it, you're doing it
looking
all
very
out.
good, easy to wear. Yes.
Oh, so you actually went to Michael.
Yes, I am a trained teacher. However, I did human ecology and hospitality service, which includes clothing, textile, and fashion. So I was formally trained, and that is where I started.
And how did you decide, all right, I am going to make this my job?
Well, it all started in March of 2018, where my colleagues, they were planning a girls' trip, and they were like, Lamoya, I want you to create some cover-ups for us.
Ooh.
And I'm like, I don't want to, I've never sewn for
Someone
anybody.
else.
So they're like, don't worry about it. And before you knew it, I was making cover-ups and all of that. So
And then cover-ups
yes.
evolved into dresses, and dresses
Yes,
evolved
into
into
skirts
tote
and the
bags.
African prints and the tote
fantastic.
bags and all these
Are we
going
going to be looking at a specific collection this morning?
Well, not necessarily. It's a
are just
variation of
pieces.
cover-ups and different pieces,
All
yes.
right, well, let's invite our first model out so we can take a look. Walk us through it. Can you just let us know what's
So
going
we
on
have
here?
our first model, which is Sharika. She is wearing a Ankara print dress. Now, this became really trendy after the movie Black Panther.
Oh, most
So a lot
definitely.
of the pieces, African prints.
Yes. And people come to you requesting African print.
A lot. The majority of the pieces are usually from African prints.
All right. Don't run away so fast. Make we see a little bit of the outfit. Stay with us a little bit. I'm loving that bag, by the way.
Yes, this is
so
one of the
here's our
shopping
first
bags.
example
Yes.
of the shopping. That
This
not
is
look like
all-
a shopping bag. Yeah,
And it can hold so much in it. Yes. And we have one of the cover-up, which is basically great for swimwears, for casual wears, just about if you
Yeah,
want on
I
the
was
go,
about
yes.
to say, I'm one of those people who will just throw on that over a camisole and pants
Yes,
like she wears
yes,
it and go.
yes.
So it's not just for going to the beach.
No,
You
it's
can
also for
always wear
casual
another
wears,
one.
yes.
All right.
And we have another, this is a kimono, kimono, which is also very easy to wear. And this is another shopping bag that we have. And this is the Moya bag. Yes.
After you?
Yes. So my colleague and I actually do the shopping bags. And this is one of the kimono that we have.
That's very nice. Simone would love that bag. Simone is
Yes.
into big bags, you know. She any bag that is like twice her size, she will definitely wear it.
No, this is a
That's a dress. It's a full dress. Okay.
full dress, which is very classy and trendy. A lot of persons going to
Beach
breakfast
parties
parties
and
and beach parties, and this is one of the outfit that a lot of persons really requested.
Right.
So it's really colorful and bright, and that is what persons are going for.
Talk to me about affordability of your brand.
Really affordable. As soon you see a design, you want it, you get the fabric to me, and I will give you a good price.
Okay, so you will do custom made designs. I'm not
Yes,
gonna go out
custom
and see
made.
anybody else in my clothes.
No, I do custom made design only.
Let's welcome our last model. Let's take a look.
This is another kimono with a smaller shopping bag.
So the shopping bags can be made out of anything, pretty much, any material.
Well, we
Or you
use
have a
it's fabric.
specific-
It's fabric.
A specific fabric.
Yeah. We use drapery fabric, most of them, which is more durable. So, and you can wash the bags, so it is more lasting.
How do I
It will
order
last.
these if I would like a set of
Well,
bags?
you can call or on social media where I am at moyamoys_designs, and you can get all details from there. My email address is there, my phone number, and all of that.
Okay, so we have one more look that
Yes.
we're gonna see, and providing that you have covered and mastered the bags and the Ankara dresses. What's next for you?
Well, the ultimate dream and goal was to go international, which I have gotten some international orders.
Here we go, traction is coming.
And that is very good. Currently, Sherika is wearing one of the Ankara print skirts, yes, which a lot of persons love. As I say, with the whole Wakanda thing, that's where it all started. So a lot of the prints are African. Yes.
I like the little bow tie that you paired it with.
Yes,
It was
yes,
very
yes,
cute.
yes, yes, yes.
Do we have any more models?
No, that is it. Yeah.
All right, so we can get the bags. So what's the cost of the bags? Just nobody go around and tell me affordable. What is the cost of the bags? Because you know
all right,
everybody
so
wanna
the
know.
bags, depending if you want to personalize the bag, it will go at a cost of $3,000. If you want with just buttons or a clip, it is like for $2,500.
Okay, that's not bad because these will last you forever and ever.
Yes.
Amen. You know, for as long as you need them, because that plastic bag ban is a permanent thing.
Yes.
We'll definitely have them. Well, here we are, ladies, looking all fantastic together. Go and get your bags from La Moya. She has them ready for you. Fashion designer La Moya Johnson and all of her beautiful models this morning. Here we go. We're going to be catching up with Jermaine Edwards after the break, but first, he's going to take us there with a medley. More.